Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from in the whole wide world. Yes, it's your man Pixie, and I'm out again in Mexborough. That is the River Dearne, as you can just see. I'm out with Kieran, he's there just checking it out. We're going to be taking a few photographs. I'll do a little bit of video. There's a little bit of a waterfall there that you can see. So yeah, that is what we're doing today. It's absolutely freezing, as you can tell. I've got two coats on. It's 1 Celsius. I had to do the old credit card job on the car this morning because there's a bit of frost. So yeah, it's only about 30 minutes away from my house, so it looks okay today. So yeah, I've got the Canon 400D. I'll be using my lenses and borrowing one of Kieran's lenses. I think it's a 50mm. So yeah, enjoy the video and have a good one. See you later. Alright then guys, we've now moved on to another location. This is still the River Dearn, but we're in Sprobrough now. This is near Doncaster, about 10 minutes away in South Yorkshire. So yeah, I've got my tripod set up over there. Kira's just on the phone over there. I'm going to take a few pictures of that behind me, little weir there. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing now. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit.